Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix SignalRGB not detecting devices. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your device is on Bluetooth mode or is using a wired connection directly to your USB ports. From there, you can then head over to the devices option inside the SignalRGB application, and from here, all of your devices will then be connected. You can confirm the connection by clicking on the Pulse device option, and basically that's it. Unfortunately, if your device did not show up right here, this means that as of the moment, it is not compatible with SignalRGB. So we only have a few compatible models out there for something like mouses, keyboards, mainboards, and more. You can simply check the official website to see whether your device is compatible or not. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.